Do you think eating healthy, tasty, enjoying it, and even surprising everyone at the same time is impossible?
I start by boiling an egg. You put it in water when it starts boiling, about 10-11 minutes. Then take it out while it cools down. Let's get today's roll ready, which is with smoked salmon. As you can see, I have plastic wrap or cling film on the counter. And what I do is lay slices of smoked salmon on top until I have a nice rectangle. Here we're going to prepare the filling. Look, I start with a little piece of onion. As you can see, I chop it really finely and put it in a large bowl. I also add surimi to taste, which some of you call crab sticks. The idea is to take a few and just the same, chop them very, very finely. I add it to the same bowl. I also add an avocado that's soft. I add one half and then the other half. There it is, and I add a bit of cilantro, which always goes great with it. Of course, salt to your personal taste, and also freshly ground black pepper to give it that punch of flavor. We still have the egg that we boiled at the beginning, which as you can see, I chopped up a bit so it would break apart even more easily. And now to mash it. Let's give it a few turns until we have a kind of uniform paste, something like this. Once you have it mixed, add a good splash of lemon juice and another drizzle of a nice tasting oil. In my case, extra virgin olive oil. We mix it, and when you have a uniform texture, filling prepared, which you are going to place at one end of the salmon roll we prepared a minute ago. And all that's left is to form the roll. Use the paper itself to help you turn and roll it up so it stays nice and close. Once you have it, close the ends and voila, your roll is ready. Keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Or if you want, you can leave it overnight. What's left? Itazubu, we look good. Once you want to enjoy it, all you have to do is take it out, decorate it a little, and bring it to the table so you can do it right. At the moment of serving, all you have to do is remove this little plastic, which as you can see is very easy, and add something to give it the final touch. I always like to remove the ends because it's always nicer to see the filling. So this end is for the cook and this one here. Also, don't press down on the knife. Move it back and forth for a clean cut. Decorate with a little bit of mayonnaise and some cilantro, and you have this wonderful dish ready on your table. Cut it up and enjoy it. People are going to be amazed.
Look at that amazing piece. Some impressive rolls that are very easy to make, look beautiful and surprise everyone. But the most important thing of all is that
they are delicious.
Good, not just delicious, even better than super good. One of my favorite dishes right now, and it couldn't be easier to make.